I'm extremely disappointed by the level of disorganization between the police, who failed to protect us. Myself right now, I don't know what happened. I'll be going for medical checkups right away. I was beaten by more than 10 security members of President Erdogan in front of the South African police. And these guys that are doing as they pleases. We are saying to them, if they want to be respected by the criminals that are bombing, doing cash heist, and those that are stealing and raping and killing people, they must show us that they've got balls, our South African police, by arresting these criminals from Turkey who are coming to take over their space. And if they don't do that, their authority is being undermined.
Don't you consider your presence here while they are waiting for the presence as provocation?
No, it's not provocation at all. South African Constitution allows maximum 15 of people to picket. And if you are going to march, you must give the local authorities at least 7 days notice. So you don't have to ask for a permission. So it is a democratic right, and we feel like we have all the rights to be here. And we feel undermined, and the current authority itself is undermined by these Turkish thugs.
All right, well, thank you very much. There you have it. That is the Turkish Solidarity Movement supporters saying they don't want the president, that is our president Ramaphosa, to meet with his Turkish counterpart, accusing him of those gross human rights violations.